Megan Ambroch here, sh.cosmetics founder and celebrity makeup artist, and I'm going to share with you today some gorgeous highlight and bronzing sticks. So, sticks are all the rage. Cream sticks, cream blushes, which I love, all this for the summer. So, or all year long, it's just gonna give you that nice fresh glow, and it won't make your makeup look heavy or cakey. So I'm gonna share with you these gorgeous sticks. One is the bronzer and one is the highlighter. So let's start with the bronzer here. I'm just gonna go right to my cheekbone. I'm gonna go up and around the hairline, and I'm gonna take that down to contour my jawline a little bit. And oh, let's get rid of that chin a little bit too. And then I'm gonna take my highlighter and I'm gonna go down the bridge of my nose, the chin, right here, maybe a little bit up here. And let's not forget, swoop, right there. Now, I'm just gonna take a brush, a foundation brush will work, or basically any brush, because this is just a really nice cream that easily blends. Look how easily that blends. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. You get a little bit of highlight, a little bit of bronze, all in one. You can even put that bronzer like up here a little bit too. And whew, there you have it. These gorgeous, creamy sticks. Great for all skin tones too. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks.